Hello, students. Good day. How are you today? I hope everyone is well. So, on our lesson for this week, we shall be learning about the different types of food. Okay, food are the things we eat when we are hungry. And around the world, there are different types of food from different areas. For example, we have Asian food like fried rice, green curry, vegetable shrimp soup. Yeah, they call it in Thai tom yam goong. Yeah. So we also have Western food like spaghetti, hot dog, pizza. We have African food like fufu and soup, fufu and eru. We also have jollof rice. So these are food from Africa. So let me list out some food to you, and you can also read along after me. Pizza, 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 rice, 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 spaghetti, 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 hot dog, hot dog, hot dog, fried rice, fried rice, fried rice, fish, 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 steak, 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 fufu and soup, fufu and soup, fufu and soup, jollof rice, jollof rice, jollof rice, fried chicken, fried chicken, fried chicken. So guys, these are some food from across the world. We have food from Asia, we have food from Africa, and we also have food from the West, right? So let's continue with the lesson. Right now, we will come out with some simple sentences with food. For example, I want to eat pizza. I want to eat pizza. I want to eat pizza. I like fish. I like fish. I like fish. My favorite food is jollof rice. My favorite food is jollof rice. My favorite food is jollof rice. Or I like to eat vegetable shrimp soup. I like to eat vegetable shrimp soup. So guys, you can also use the list of food that I have mentioned to make simple sentences. You can make sentences like this. We are going to eat pizza in a restaurant. We are going to eat pizza in a restaurant. My father likes to eat roast beef. My father likes to eat roast beef. Remember, roast beef is the same as steak. So next, we are going to pair in twos and ask and answer questions with food. And we shall do it like this. What food do you like? I like hamburger. What food do you like? I like pizza. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is fried rice. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is vegetable shrimp soup. We can also ask simple questions like this. What food do you like best? I like pizza. What food do you like best? I like spaghetti. Or we can ask like this. What food do you like the most? What food do you like the most? I like jollof rice. What food do you like the most? I like vegetable shrimp soup. So guys, we can come up with a lot of short questions and answers with food. Let me do one more. What food do you like to eat? What food do you like to eat? I like to eat noodles. You can say, I like to eat noodles, or I like noodles. It's the same thing. Okay, the both sentences are correct. What food do you like to eat? I like to eat hot dog. What food do you like to eat? I like beef noodles. I like beef noodles. So guys, this is how you can make simple sentences with food. I want you to list down 10 different types of food and send to me. And one more, I also want you to make 5 sentences with food. For example, this hamburger is delicious. I like fried rice. I can cook rice and fish. My mother likes to cook vegetables. My friends like to eat spaghetti and steak. So, guys, you should write down 5 simple sentences. Make sure they are very simple and they are correct, and send to me. I would like to see them. So, on our next lesson, we shall be talking about drinks, and that shall be all for our lesson today. Please remember to be safe, to be healthy, and to be happy. Thank you very much for attending this lesson. Until next time that we shall meet again, I say goodbye.